Welcome back. Now we will start stitching the lace on the top left and right of front body. Firstly, place ball pin to secure it with the materials. Here are the left and the right. Take a single thread to join both of them together. Sew a white running stitch. Avoid pulling too tight. We will add a lace top in order to sew the beads and sequins on according shape later. Now, let's work on back shoulder part. Secure the lace on the materials with ball pins. And again, sew a white running stitch to join both sides together. Lastly, join the top stitch with lace. Align the red line on the lace to the center of the sleeves. Secure it with ball pins. And followed by white running stitch. Iron the inner lining on the inner part of front left and right. It is better to choose a soft inner lining. Inner lining is required for the back collar too. Next, we will start to overlock all the sides of the overcoat except the armholes and top of the collar.